Hey guys, and welcome to my channel for another video. And yes, we're back in my kitchen because we are gonna make some yummy DIY bite-sized pumpkin pies. So if you guys want to see how I made these little bite-sized pumpkin pies, make sure to stick around. And before we even get into the video, guys, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so here's everything you're going to need to make these cute little pumpkin bites. So I have here some pastry shells that I got from ShopRite, which only cost me $1.99, and it comes with 15. So there you go. You're also going to need an egg, some whipped cream, pumpkin, and you can use any brands. I just chose these, some evaporated milk. You're gonna need ground cloves, ginger, some salt, cinnamon, and you're gonna need sugar, which I have right over here. So just regular sugar. And I'm gonna be piping the whipped cream on the pies, so you're gonna need a piping tip of any choice, as well as your piping bag. I mean, you don't need a tip if you don't want to do anything fancy. You can always just use a regular piping bag. And that's pretty much it. And if you ever want to know exactly the recipe to this, I am following a tasty recipe, so I will have that actually linked down below so you guys can make these for your family. So let's actually start baking. Alright guys, in a mixing bowl, you're going to add all your dry ingredients. So you're going to add your sugar, your clove, your cinnamon, and your ginger, and last but not least, your salt. So all you're going to do is go ahead and mix everything in your bowl. And then you can add in your you can add your wet ingredients. So you're gonna go ahead and add 2 eggs, you're gonna add your pumpkin. So let me just get a spoon for that. Just make sure you get all of the pumpkin out of the can. And a fun fact about me, I do not eat pumpkin pie. So I'm only making this for my family for Thanksgiving, but I absolutely hate pumpkin pie. I love the smell of it. Like, I think pumpkin pie smells so good. But honestly, I would not eat it. Don't ask me why. It's just, that's just how I am, I guess. Because another fun fact, I'm a picky eater. So if you guys wonder what type of pie I eat for Thanksgiving, and I pretty much love sweet potato pie. I was introduced to sweet potato pie, and let me tell you guys, I'm so glad my friend introduced me to that, because honestly, that's like the best pie. I don't even buy it for Thanksgiving. Whenever I see it at ShopRite, I always buy some sweet potato pie and just eat it whenever I want to. Alright guys, so after adding the pumpkin, you guys saw I added the evaporated milk. So I'm just gonna mix this all well. Get all the sides, because a little bit of the pumpkin is getting stuck on there. So now you have this really nice consistency. So it's pretty much ready to go in the pie shells or pastry shells I have. So let's go ahead, get my pastry shells, and let's start baking. Alright guys, so next thing you're gonna do is just gonna take your pumpkin batter And you're just gonna pretty much pour it into the little cup. Trying to do it without spilling anything. So definitely fill it up to the top. And you're gonna pretty much do this for every single one of them. As tedious as this is, so there you go. As you guys see. So I have pretty much 13 more of these to do. So we're gonna come back once it's all done. Alright guys, so now I finish pretty much filling all the little pastries with the pumpkin puree. Well, pumpkin batter, whatever you want to call it. Unfortunately, I have so much batter still left over. So I'm gonna actually use that in another pumpkin pastry I'm gonna make. So I set my oven to 350. So let me just turn on the light. And you're gonna bake these bad boys for about 20 to 30 minutes. I would just check on it just to make sure it looks fine. So let me just go ahead. And as you guys can see, they're all there. Just gonna gently put these down because obviously, as you guys can see, it's a flat surface. And guys, don't use your hands to stick in your oven. So now I'm gonna time it for 20 minutes and we'll come back once it's ready. Alright guys, so here are the pumpkin pies. Look at how cute these little mini bites are. I'm actually gonna go ahead and make more. So make as many as you need. Because trust me, the batter is more than enough. So I'm gonna pop these babies in the refrigerator, let them cool a bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and pipe the whipped cream. So we'll be right back once it's nice and cool. Alright guys, so once the pumpkin pies are cooled off, I'm gonna go ahead and take some Cool Whip. I have my piping bag here with my tip, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some Cool Whip in here. So just fill it up. I'm not gonna fill it up to the top because again, I only have 15 and I'm not putting too much frosting in it. I mean, whipped cream. So then you're just gonna go ahead and squeeze it. And as you can see, there it is. So just squeeze and that's it. So we're gonna go over here to our pumpkin pie. And I'm gonna go ahead and just squeeze a dollop. Just like that, guys. Super easy. Anyone can do this. Oh no. Technical difficulties on that one. Alright, so once you get the frosting that you need, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my cinnamon and just sprinkle it all over. So you're just gonna grab your cinnamon and kind of And then that's it. The last step is to enjoy. So here are my little pumpkin bites. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. Alright guys, so that concludes our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed making the little pumpkin bites for your family and for yourself. Don't hog them up too much because remember, everyone is on a diet. So until next time, guys, make sure to subscribe, give it a like, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Until our next one, and happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Bye.